So welcome back in my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss nested list in Python. Through this example I will try to make you understand like how nested list works in the Python. So here I have two lists, fruits and vegetables, and I want to put these two lists into the single list. So here I will check a variable final list and I will put these both list into this list. So here I will put fruits variable and here I will put vegetables variable. So now this list is on the index 0 and this list is on the index 1 because in the list indexing starts from 0, 1, 2 and so on. So here fruits is on the 0 index and vegetables is on the 1 index. So here I will write final list. I want to fetch here guava. So this comes into the this list, fruit list, and fruit list in the 0 index. So here I will mention 0, and from 0 index I want to fetch this item. So guava is on the first position. So here I will mention 1 and I will create a variable, and now I'll print this list and see the result. So here it gave me the this item. And what if I want to print I want to print the item of this vegetable list. So this list is on the index number 1. So here I will mention index 1 and I want to fetch this item tomato. So tomato is on the second position. So 0, 1, 2 second position. So here I will mention position 2 and now it will give me tomato. So basically this works like first is for the indexing. So here the first is for the indexing and second for the positioning. So this is how the nested list works in the Python. I hope it's clear to you all, and thank you so much for watching this. Bye bye.